Hello, this is XENONLED, and as always we check headlights condition before selling and shipping. Now I have BMW 1st Series Gran Turismo body full LED headlights, not adaptive. You can see that headlights are absolutely new. All glass is clear, without any damaged areas or any scratches or any dots or something else on both headlights. Also, we're gonna look around all headlights. All mounts are not broken, not fixed on them places. Headlights also complete with all ballast. You can see that it's absolutely new. Passenger side. You can see that it's not damaged, not fixed. All mounts on them places. Going complete with ballast. I hope you like this video and see you soon in our shop.